The 2025 tax filing season is here, and we have the start date, the due date, as well as 2025 improvements. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Let's begin. The Internal Revenue Service announced that the 2025 tax filing season will begin on Monday, January 27, 2025. Make sure to save the date. The IRS expects more than 140 million individual tax returns to be filed this tax season, and the deadline to file your taxes will be April 15th. Also, the IRS has made improvements to their direct file system, and you can use the IRS direct file system to file your 2024 tax returns for free directly with the IRS, and it will be available on January 27 as well in 25 states: Arizona, California, Florida, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Hampshire, New York, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington State, Wyoming, Alaska, Connecticut, Idaho, Illinois, Kansas, Maine, Maryland, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Carolina, Oregon, Pennsylvania, and finally Wisconsin. Also this year, the direct file will cover more tax situations. For example, you can use the system if you're claiming the Child Independent Care Credit, Premium Tax Credit, credit for the elderly and disabled, and retirement savings contribution credits as well. Let's go over some of the improvements for the 2025 tax filing season, starting with the IRS individual online account. If you don't have an IRS account, you can create one on irs.gov, and you will be able to use your IRS online account to view key details from your most recent tax return, such as adjusted gross income, request identity protection PIN numbers, get account transcripts to include wage and income records, sign tax forms like powers of attorney or tax information authorizations, view and edit language preferences, receive and view over 200 IRS electronic notices, view, make payments or cancel payments, as well as set up or change payment plans. All of this will be available on your IRS online account this season. There will also be a new scam alert available on your individual IRS online account to help you, the taxpayer, against emerging threats. There will be a new banner on your online account that alerts you, the taxpayer, of potential scams and schemes, along with a link to your digital notice and letters page. You will be able to view your notices electronically, and that is so you don't have to wait for those notices in the mail. The future will also be to help educate you, the taxpayer, on how to spot scams and how to spot fraudulent efforts to try and steal your information. Redesign notices. The IRS has successfully redesigned 284 notices in 2024, and that 84 additional redesign notices are in line to be deployed in 2025. All notices will be added to your individual IRS online account, so you will be able to view them online. Mobile adaptive tax forms. Taxpayers will now have access to 67 forms on your cell phones and tablets. The most recent forms have a save and draft capability, which will allow you, the taxpayer, to start a form, save it, and then return to it later. Virtual assistants to help you with your refunds and to ask other questions. During the 2025 tax filing season, the IRS will offer voice bot services to all taxpayers calling the IRS for refund information. The voice bot will be available in English and Spanish to help assist you and speed up the process in getting information in regards to your 2025 tax refunds. You will have to authenticate yourself to have access to this information using your tax return, so make sure you always have it handy when calling or using your online services. And finally, once you complete your 2024 tax return, remember most tax refunds are issued in less than 21 calendar days, and you can check the status of your 2025 tax refund by using the Where is My Refund tool on irs.gov. And you can check the status 24 hours after you e-file your return, and refund information is normally available after 4 weeks for taxpayers who file a paper return. Information on the Where is My Refund tool will update overnight on a daily basis. The easiest, safest, and fastest way, according to the IRS, to receive your 2025 tax refund is to file electronically and select direct deposit as your payment option. According to the Treasury Bureau of Fiscal Service, paper refunds are 16 times more likely to have issues like the check being lost, misdirected, stolen. So you want to avoid filing a paper tax return to avoid delays in getting your 2025 tax refund. Now, choose a trusted tax professional. More than half of taxpayers turn to a tax professional to help them file their taxes. How to choose a tax professional and how to make a complaint against one if you have to. The links will be pinned to the comment section as well as in the description box. So make sure you check for those as well. And that brings us to the end of this week's 2025 tax refund update and breaking news. Make sure to share your comments. Make sure to share the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell to come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.